Alright guys, we are going to do the Dirt Devil Power Max that Pat got me for Christmas and vacuum the front room with it. This thing does a really good job on picking up a lot of dirt. And it's really transparent in the dirt cup, which I like. So that's a nice thing. Let's go ahead and do that. Maybe we'll give it a try on the kitchen floor and see what it picks up. Otherwise, I'll be running the Dirt Devil Quick Power up next. So, hope everyone's having a happy 4th. Hope no one lost any fingers. Hopefully no one got any crazy ideas to go monkey with firecrackers and get too dangerous. You know, guys, there can be a lot of fatalities per year with those things, so always be extremely careful. My camera's blurry, sorry. Alright guys, here we go. Time to vacuum the front room. I don't know how I just unplugged it, but I guess well, I know how. I just ran out of cord or outlet around me. Yeah, you have to get this thing an extension cord, guys, so I can actually start and not have to worry about all that. Alright guys. There we go. How's that going there, guys? Find the can going for me, please. Oh yeah, I got that. Yeah guys, I like this vacuum. This is pretty nice. Even the vacuum guy at the Mid-America Vacuum said this is a pretty nice little machine too. So he said my filters are still in pristine shape. And well, guys, I don't suck up drywall dust, nor do I do that vacuum carpet fresh. Hope you guys are having a good 4th, and hope you guys are staying cool.